Precision engineering meets raw power as the CNC machine brings the concept to life. The brushed finish is applied using a high-speed buffing wheel. It takes incredibly steady hands to achieve that perfect linear grain. The patient process begins as layers of rich lacquer and enamel are meticulously applied by hand, ensuring a flawless finish and soft reflections.
With the jewels in place, the escapement is installed, allowing the heart of the watch, the balance wheel, to begin its rhythmic beat.
Final case assembly requires absolute precision. The crystal and gaskets are seated simultaneously, locking the movement securely within the case.
With the movement secured, the watch is placed into the resistance chamber. The seal locks, and the pressure immediately begins to rise.
True luxury resides in the details.